Hey everyone, I'm Nolan here at the Well Dressed Window, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to pair your Hunter Douglas remote with PowerView Gen 3 shades. Step 1 is owning the PowerView app, which is free to install. Just go to the App Store on your device of choice, search for PowerView, one word. You'll see this app right here, which looks like your remote outline in white and green. Install that and open it when it's ready. The app will ask you to sign in or create an account. If you don't already have an account, you'll have to create one. Then you will receive a verification email with the email you associated with your account creation. Accept that email and then open the PowerView app back up and you'll be able to sign in. Once signed in to your PowerView account, you'll need to locate the control button on your shade, which can vary depending on product type. The control button for the majority of your shades will be located on the far right side of the headrail and appear as a small, clear button. Other shades' control buttons may be hidden by a valance, but can still be easily accessed. Lastly, most prominent on wood blinds and verticals is a white control button that could be tucked inside of your headrail or mounted on the wall like this. If you're not already a member of your home, you simply hold your device near the control button and then hold it for roughly 5 seconds. This will prompt this screen on your phone. Simply take ownership of the home or temporarily access it. Once here, we can go to More, scroll down to Accessories, Remotes, and hit this plus button in the top corner to add a remote. Select PowerView. Next, name your remote whatever you would like, and then select what shades you want applied to which button. I want left front on number 1, and I would like right front on number 2. Once you have selected every button that you would like to fill out for your remote, hit Sync. Select Start Sync, and hold the square in the center of your remote until the lights begin blinking. This will sync your remote. And just like that, we've paired our new remote. One will now open the left front, and 2 will open my right front. You also have the ability to reconfigure any old remotes that you already have set, if you would like to add or remove buttons from where they're currently placed. And just like that, you're all set up with your new remote for PowerView Gen 3 with Hunter Douglas. Please make sure to check in the description below for our websites, showroom locations, and to subscribe to the channel for any future PowerView tips that we give out. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.